If you're tired of juggling multiple SEO tools and spending hours on repetitive tasks, you're going to want to pay attention to what I'm about to show you. Because in this video, we're going to be diving deep into Nightwatch SEO Agent, a tool that's promising to revolutionize how we approach SEO workflows. And what makes this tool different from every other SEO tool out there is that instead of giving you raw data to interpret yourself, Nightwatch SEO Agent actually thinks through the data, connects the dots, and provides actionable insights. It's like basically having an SEO expert sitting right beside you, available 24/7. So let me walk you through exactly what this tool does and whether it lives up to the hype. Starting with, what is Nightwatch SEO Agent? So once again, Nightwatch SEO Agent is an AI-powered SEO assistant that's built directly into the Nightwatch platform. You can access it through the main navigation or by going directly to agent.nightwatch.io if you have a Nightwatch plan. You will find a link to this in the description below this video. Now, what sets this apart is its integrated approach. So rather than switching between different tools, one for crawling, one for keyword research, SERP analysis, and content planning, everything happens in one intelligent interface. The agent has 5 main tabs: chat, keywords, SERP, crawl pages, and documents. And here is the key part. It can work across all of these simultaneously. In my opinion, the real game changer here is that this isn't just another chatbot with access to SEO data. The AI model has been specifically fine-tuned with SEO best practices, meaning it understands not just what the data means, but how to apply it strategically. Let's start with a demonstration of the technical audits. This is probably one of the most tedious parts of SEO work. Traditionally, you would crawl a site, export data to spreadsheets, and then manually analyze everything. But with this tool, the process becomes conversational. For example, I can simply ask it to crawl nightwatch.io and then show me all the H1 tags. As you can see, the agent will immediately start collecting data, and as it works, you can watch it reason through what it's finding. Once complete, it presents a clean list of all the pages with their corresponding H1 tags. But here is what I like about this approach as well. You're not just getting raw data dumps. The agent interprets what it finds and can immediately flag issues, for example missing H1s or duplicate tags, or optimization opportunities that become immediately apparent. This turns what used to be a multi-hour process into a conversation that only takes a few minutes. And because all of this data stays in your session, you can dig deeper with follow-up questions without starting over. Next up, let's demonstrate the multi-market keyword research. Now, in my opinion, keyword research is where this tool really starts to shine. Traditional keyword research tools will limit you to one market at a time, which is frustrating when you are working on international SEO or comparing regional opportunities. Watch what happens when I ask the agent to research SERP API and compare search trends between the US and Canada. Instead of running separate queries in different tools, the agent simultaneously pulls data from multiple markets and creates a comprehensive comparison. It will find the necessary data from all of our databases and datasets, interpret it, and then provide a comparison of the trends for the specified markets. If you've ever done keyword research, then you understand just how many hours this would have taken. This multi-market capability is huge for agencies and businesses operating internationally. What used to require multiple tool subscriptions and hours of manual comparison now happens automatically under one roof. Once this data is loaded into the session, you can investigate the raw data for deeper insights. But we can take this research even further with keyword clustering. Since all of our research data is already loaded in this session, I can simply ask the agent to cluster the keywords it discovered. And as you can see, this is another area where the AI really proves its value. Keyword clustering is essential for content strategy. It helps you understand which keywords naturally group together and how to structure your content architecture. But manually clustering hundreds of keywords is mind-numbing work. The agent analyzes semantic relationships and search intent to create logical keyword groups. Then, and this is brilliant, I can ask it to organize everything into a table with suggested URL structures and headlines for each cluster. What you get is a complete content strategy roadmap, not just a bunch of grouped keywords, but actionable recommendations for how to target them. And this level of strategic thinking combined with speed is what makes Nightwatch SEO Agent so powerful. Now, internal linking is another area where the agent excels by combining multiple capabilities. Let's say I'm writing a new article about AI SEO and need to find the best internal linking opportunities. I can simply instruct the agent to crawl nightwatch.io and then suggest the 10 best pages for internal linking to this new article. The agent crawls the entire website, analyzes content relevance, and identifies the most strategic linking opportunities. This is solving a real workflow problem. Normally, you would go ahead and use one tool to crawl your site, another to analyze content relevance, and then manually decide on the best linking strategy. But of course, you don't need to do this anymore as it's all automated and intelligent. The agent identified pages like AI tracking and SEO database. This would be ideal linking opportunities, choices that make perfect strategic sense. It's not just finding pages with related keywords, but it's understanding the topical relevance and user journey optimization. This information can then be compiled into a shareable document. Now for the final example that I'll be doing in this video, we have SEO content creation. This is where all of these capabilities will come together beautifully. Building on our internal linking research, I can ask the agent to research AI SEO and then create a content outline that incorporates both the keywords we identified and the internal linking opportunities. And this is where having direct access to SEO databases become incredibly powerful. Unlike general AI tools like ChatGPT, Nightwatch SEO Agent can pull real keyword data, search volumes, SERP features, and ranking information to inform content strategy. The resulting outline is not just well structured, it's strategically optimized. It includes target keywords based on actual search data, suggests internal linking opportunities that we have already validated, and follows SEO best practices that are built into the model. The final output is a detailed document, complete with a comprehensive article outline, ready to be fine-tuned or imported into tools like Google Docs. So what you get is a comprehensive content brief that would normally require hours of research and planning. And because it's all connected to real SEO data, you can trust that the recommendations are based on actual search behavior, not just AI assumptions. If you're already using Nightwatch or considering it, the SEO agent feature alone makes it worth exploring. The future of SEO work is clearly moving toward AI-assisted workflows, and Nightwatch SEO agent gives us a compelling preview of what this looks like in practice. These were some basic examples of what you can do with this tool. We hope that you'll be able to effectively implement this tool into your SEO workflow, and we are excited to introduce more improvements and enhancements very soon.